Hello everyone, my name is Joel Snipes and I wanted to show you a cool trick that I use for testing user profiles in Reltio, and can also be good from a security perspective for preventing yourself from accidentally applying an update to the wrong environment, that sort of thing. So let me jump in. I'm going to hop into my demo environment. Alright, so I'm currently logged in as my Reltio main user here, and this has admin privileges on this tenant. And hypothetically, let's say I'm trying to test a data steward role I made. So I need to create another user to test the data steward role. So I'm going to go into the console. I'm going to go to user management. And I'm going to select the customer of this tenant, which is Reltio in this case. So I don't want to remove privileges from my existing role, because then I wouldn't be able to add them back, as I would lose my admin privileges. So I want to create a new account. So I'm going to take the email I'm already using, and I'm going to use a plus Gmail trick. So at Reltio we use Gmail, and I can create an alias for my email by simply adding a plus to the end of it. And let's say DS for Data Steward Demo. Now when I send an email to this email address, it'll come to my main Reltio Gmail account. And this works for all Gmail accounts. What a word of warning is, I like to make sure I remove the plus from the username. This is because when you go to set this test user up in Postman, Postman doesn't recognize the plus. You're going to have to replace the plus with a %2 if you want to put the email in Postman. That's kind of annoying, so I like to just use the username. So I'm going to call this demo DS. Alright, now I can give it the roles I want, so maybe role API, role user, and I'm going to do it for this tenant, which is 9Y something or other. Here we are. Alright, and my user is created. So I'm going to hop over to my Gmail account, and I just got a password reset. Here we go, it came to my main Reltio account, like this was a brand new email. Now I have to remember what I set it to. Alright. So I'm going to get a password reset code to verify this email is mine. I'll go here, set a password. Once again, verify I'm not a robot. Double check my typing skills. Alright, my password is set up. So if I open a new window, incognito, Control-Shift-N, come here, did I set? DS demo. Flipped it. And boom, I am in a new account without having to set up a new email to test in, and I have limited privileges. You can see my username here. Super useful. So for each persona, I can set up a alias and test them individually. Very, very handy. Now, I know only a fraction of our customers actually have Gmail accounts. So another option is in Outlook. This can be turned on by your administrator. If you're a big shop, that might be a big ask to get them to turn on the plus feature, but Outlook can do it now as of about a year ago. And if that's not possible, there is a way to create aliases directly in your Microsoft account. So you can set up ahead of time demo user or something like that. Add the alias and then go create the setup user. So creating aliases is a great way to test your different user groups and roles. So I thought it'd be nice to share that with some of y'all who might not know this feature exists.